GrapeCity Documents for Excel.NET Edition is a fast, efficient spreadsheet API that enables you to generate, load, modify, and save spreadsheets. In this video, we'll look at how to add comments to cells in your Excel worksheets. First, add the necessary namespaces to your GcExcel project. Initialize the workbook. Add a worksheet and a range of data to it. In this example, we'll add a comment to the cell that includes the lowest weight. In this case, it's E6, where the weight is 58 kilograms. Create a comment at cell E6. To keep the comment opened when a user opens the Excel file, set the visible property of the comment to true. Finally, save the workbook to see the comment. It's visible and added to the E6 cell. For more tutorials, blogs, and code samples, visit GrapeCity.com.